That is the sound of the territory holding Dunnock. So that male is holding this territory. He'll have a female. He's defending that territory. But for all he knows, the female might be cavorting with a sneaky male as he's singing. That's what happens with Dunnocks.
This is suburban. It's almost suburban cliche, isn't it?
This could be the sound of suburban skeletons in closets.
Well, let's see if he sings again. Oh, yeah.
There he goes. It's quite a quiet song, but it's quite musical.
It's incredibly musical.
Yeah.
It's very, very beautiful. And from a bird that, no offence, is your archetypal little brown bird.
Little brown bird, okay. Nobody paid any attention to them till a guy called Nick Davis at Cambridge University started studying their sex life, and then it was, oh, right. Really unique species.